I always thought that Warren Buffett never predicts market crashes.
Warren Buffett today has more cash as a percent than he had before the 2007 financial crisis.
Warren Buffett famously said that this indicator is probably the best single measure of where valuations stand at any given moment. At today's prices, the market is not fairly valued, not modestly overvalued, but significantly overvalued. Since 1981, the stock market has essentially been on a one-way ticket up. Since 1981, the interest rates have essentially been on a one-way ticket down, from 19% to 0% rates if we ignore the little increase we've had recently, because there's no gravitational pull on them. So they've just kept going up and up and up. And that is another risk that's in the market right now, and a lot of it depends on what this man, Jerome Powell, decides to do. One of the most important recession risks is what I call the dreaded yield curve. Well, a recession comes. With these unique market conditions, that begs the question, what should we do? That's why generally you want to be very careful about playing the waiting game, because you can miss out on a lot of returns. Buffett is not doing any of these. I never expected him to sell Apple. I thought he'd just hold the stock for life, which he'd done for a bunch of other major positions.
They can change that percentage any year, and the percentage that they've decreed currently is 21%. And I would say with the present fiscal policies, I think that something has to give, and I think that higher taxes are quite likely.
He's taking money off the table while he has the chance to pay lower taxes.
$25 billion in cash after selling off billions in Apple and Bank of America.
It's more cash than the entire GDP of New Zealand, Portugal, or Chile. What's important is how much cash he owns as a percentage of his overall portfolio. In fact, he didn't even hold this much cash before the dot-com bubble in 2000.
I don't mind at all, under current conditions, building the cash position. I think when I look at the alternative of what's available in the equity markets, we find it quite attractive.
So we've got Buffett saying all of the usual things, but at least as of right now, he's doing the opposite. Is a crash coming? Well, I personally have a view similar to Buffett, and that view is a view of agnosticism. And who knows, maybe the right option right now is to play the game similar to Buffett, play it safe, and to take some cards off the table.